Welcome back to another Spotify Camp Nou construction update. Today has been an exciting day on site, with visible progress across several key areas of the project. From new compression ring installations and facade work to the arrival of the first escalator in the lateral section, there are plenty of developments to cover. Let's take a detailed look at everything happening around the stadium. We begin today's update at the compression ring, where another important change has taken place since yesterday. A new radial beam has now been installed, further extending this rapidly growing structure. During yesterday's visit, only the supporting pillar was in place, making today's progress clearly visible. Construction activity remains high across the area, with crews and lifting equipment continuing to work around the ring. There are also signs that additional materials may soon be moved into position, highlighting the steady pace of progress in one of the most important sections of the project. Construction activity continues beneath the second cantilever, where workers were visible carrying out finishing and preparation tasks. Large quantities of materials remain stored throughout the area as crews continue progressing across different sections of the structure. Several elevated platforms were operating beneath the seating areas, with workers focusing on structural elements and access zones. While few visible changes were observed, the steady activity indicates ongoing preparation work behind the scenes. Additional sandwich panels have been delivered and staged across multiple areas of the stadium. These materials will soon be installed around the mobility cores and access structures. Work also continues on the alignment of facade anchors around the mobility cores. These anchors will support the future ceramic Lamas, with crews ensuring every connection point is properly positioned before installation begins. One of the biggest surprises of the day was the arrival of the first escalator in the lateral section of the stadium. The escalator was delivered by truck and unloaded using a crane before being placed in a temporary staging area. This marks an important milestone as permanent interior access systems begin arriving on site. It is another sign that construction is gradually moving toward operational stadium infrastructure. Work continues on the diamond structures along the lateral side of the stadium. Numerous workers were active throughout the area, focusing on reinforcement, formwork, and concrete preparation. The most advanced diamond structure continues to take shape, with several sections already concreted. Crews are now preparing reinforcement cages for future columns while additional formwork is assembled nearby. Attention soon returned to the compression ring as a new steel box segment approached its installation point. The massive component was carefully lifted into position behind the tower crane and prepared for its connection with the newly installed radial beam. This type of installation is particularly challenging, as the segment must be aligned with extreme precision before it can be secured. At the same time, the escalator delivery marked another milestone in the lateral area. After being unloaded, it was placed in its temporary position, signaling the beginning of permanent access infrastructure installations. Meanwhile, crews focused on completing the compression ring connection. Guided by experienced operators and ground teams, the large segment was gradually lowered into place before finally achieving a successful fit. With another section secured, the compression ring continues to expand steadily. At ground level, crews have now completed almost all Lamas installations around the bracket sections, with only a few small gaps intentionally left for future connections. With this phase nearly finished, work has moved to the false ceiling area, where the first Lamas are now visible beneath the structure. Several elevated platforms remain active across the lower levels, while preparations continue around the mobility cores and facade areas. Some sections are still awaiting support beams for future sandwich panels, while others are already progressing into the next stage of construction. Before moving to the lateral area, crews successfully completed the installation of the newly lifted compression ring segment. The large steel box was carefully aligned, fitted into position, and secured as workers began the bolting process. With another segment now in place, the compression ring continues to expand steadily, marking another important step toward the completion of this major structural element. Now moving into the lateral section of the stadium, the diamond structure is visible again from a closer frontal angle. This perspective gives a clearer view of the ongoing progress and current activity on site. This remains the most delayed of the three diamond structures, but work is still moving steadily across different levels. Crews are mainly focused on the anchoring systems around the mobility cores, where installation and alignment tasks continue. Several elevated platforms are active in this zone, supporting ongoing construction work. The anchor points are gradually increasing, although they are still not as advanced as those in the Gol Sur area. Before moving on, a final overview shows continuous activity across the section, with multiple teams working in parallel despite limited visibility in some areas. Here we can clearly see that this section has already been fully concreted. The brown protective covering is still visible, which is typically used after pouring concrete, similar to columns and other structural elements. Looking at the pillars, most of the reinforcement cages are in place, although some areas are still under assembly. Workers in front continue preparation work, likely moving toward the next concreting stage in the coming days. This week still appears too early for major new pours, as the pillars need to be fully completed first. However, next week could bring the installation of support elements between the pillars, followed by slab preparation depending on progress. In the upper area, all sandwich panels now appear to be fully installed, completing that phase of work. Construction activity here is now focused mainly on structural preparation and surrounding finishing tasks. We are now directly in front of the diamond structure, although visibility is limited from this position. It is difficult to fully observe reinforcement work once the panels are installed vertically. Even so, installation activity continues with workers handling sandwich panels and structural elements across different levels. Several elevated platforms are also operating in the background. On the right side, crews are working on bracket connections, while another platform lift remains active nearby. Cross-support steel elements are also being installed, likely for future facade or LED integration. Now at the Gol Norte area, another box segment has been lifted into place and is being secured with bolts as workers connect it to the existing structure. This forms another step in the compression ring, although further segments are still required to complete the full connection with the radial beam. Nearby, a platform lift is active while additional scaffolding and support preparations continue for upcoming work. Overall, construction remains active across multiple zones with steady progress on different structural phases. Here at Gol Norte, we are positioned at a lower level to better observe the installed Lamas. The underside of the false ceiling is clearly visible, with different panel lengths depending on each section. In front of us, a crane is ready to continue installing more Lamas, with additional materials stored behind the fencing. Since the anchor points are already aligned, installation is expected to progress more quickly in the coming days. In this diamond structure section, we are now seeing early construction progress of the aluminum curtain wall system. A real surprise today, as the first aluminum profiles of the curtain wall are already starting to appear on site. At the same time, interior works are also progressing, with crews treating beams, adjusting structures, and continuing block work for internal walls. Almost all diamond sections are now active inside, making this one of the most important updates of the day. These aluminum profiles are larger than standard ones, likely around 20 to 25 centimeters, and bigger compared to other previously installed sections. Today delivered another strong set of construction milestones at Spotify Camp Nou, including compression ring progress, the arrival of the first escalator, continued diamond structure development, and expanding Lamas installations. With facade systems, structural elements, and interior works advancing together, the stadium continues moving steadily toward its final form, with more visible progress expected in the coming days. If you are enjoying this update, stay connected with us. See you in the next video.